Today we are going to see the Mr. Vijay, sous chef cooking mantra. He is going to demonstrate one vegetable carving from pumpkin, yellow pumpkin. But you watch nicely, he will be explaining step by step procedures. As follows, now you are watching. Hi, this is Vijay. I am working at Mandra Hotel in Kumbakonam. I make it a pumpkin carving. This is a pumpkin flower. This is our 2 petal leaves and 4 leaves and first one is